Welcome everyone. In today's session, we are going to create a professional and eye-catching 5-step 3D cylinder infographic in PowerPoint. Take a blank slide, right-click, go to Format Background, select Gradient Fill, make it 2 gradient stops, give a gray-black shade to both the gradient stops, go to Direction and choose the last option. Now close the Format Background. Select an oval shape from the Shapes tab, place it on the slide. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D and place it below like this. Now select a rectangle and place it in between the two shapes and adjust properly. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline, Shape Fill, Gray color. Select the top oval shape, right click and choose Bring to Front. Now select the bottom oval shape and the rectangle shape together. Go to Merge Shape and select Union. Now right click, go to Format Shape, click on Gradient Fill, choose white color for the first gradient fill and off-white color for the second gradient stop. Now go to Direction and choose Linear Diagonal Top Right. Select the top oval shape, go to Gradient Fill, choose light red color for the first gradient stop and dark red color for the second gradient stop. Increase the transparency to 47%. Take another oval shape from the Shapes tab and insert below the 3D shape. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Click on the Gradient Fill. Choose the shades of dark gray color for both the gradient stops. Go to Effects option. Choose Soft Edges and select the size to 25 points. Increase the width of the shadow as per your requirement and place it just below the 3D shape. Right click and send to back. Select all the shapes together and press Ctrl G to group it. Close the Format Background tab. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D. Place it below the first shape. Now right click and choose Send to Back. Adjust something like this. Now duplicate 3 more times and stack it one below the other. Make sure to right click and select Send to Back option. You can arrange the order as per your requirement. Select all the shapes together, right click, go to Group option and select Ungroup. Click on the second oval shape, go to Format Background, select the Gradient Fill and choose 2 different shades of yellow color for both the gradient stops. In this way, fill the other oval shapes with different colors. Now go to Insert option, click on the icon and choose any 6 icons from this and click on Insert. Arrange the icons on one side and place each icon on the white color of the 3D shape as you can see in this. Decrease the size of the icon and then place it one above the other. Place the 6th icon at the top of the oval shape. Now insert a small oval shape below the icon. Now go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Shape Fill gray-black color. Go to Effects option, click on the Soft Edges and select the size to 25 points. Insert a text box near to the icon and type the content or any subtitle. You can give your own font size and font, whichever you like, and that suits your presentation. Now duplicate 4 more times and place on each 3D shape. Now insert another text box towards the right of the 3D shape. Type the heading, give font Arial black, adjust the spacing and then give a red color same as of the first oval shape. Insert another text box and type the description. Now duplicate the heading and place it near the second 3D shape. Change the color to yellow. Now in the same way, duplicate the heading and description. Place it one below the other. Change the color of the heading. Now draw a text box on the top of the slide. Type 5-step 3D cylinder shape infographics. Make it bold. Font Arial black and font size 20. Click on the slideshow to see the result. With just a few shapes, formatting tools and some creativity, we turned a blank slide into a professional, dynamic infographic. Try using this design in your own projects to present ideas with clarity and impact. Thank you for watching.